Page 36, the can-can. On page 35, they give some rhythm things for you. I don't really do much with it. I do rhythms in the pieces. If you want to do the rhythms there, you go right ahead. You're not really playing notes. You're just tapping on something or someone. I don't know. But the notes above the lines for the right hand and the notes below the lines for the left, and you can do that. To just make sure you got it okay with the time signature, and be sure and put in the natural accents on those. You want to feel the first beat of every measure, and in 4/4 time you want to feel that 1, 2, 3, 4, and in 6/8 time it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, let me know if you have questions. Let's talk can-can. I'm going to go through the process for learning a piece of music, and let's see what happens. I look it over. It's 2 lines long. It's actually longer than that, but there's only 2 lines of music to learn. Treble and bass clef signs. Okay. 1 sharp in the key signature. We are in the key of G major. All the Fs are going to be F sharps automatically. And 4/4 time signature. Now the hands are only playing one at a time, so I'm going to take this hands together because it shortens the video. The left hand starts here. That puts the hand here. And you don't need any other finger numbers for the left hand because we're not moving around. And that F sharp is part of the hand position because it's in the key signature. And that makes it part of the hand position. And the right hand is thumb here. That puts the right hand here. F sharp. Make sure you have the F sharp. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's fun. Okay. So once I have the hands together, I go through slowly and get rid of any hesitations. And this piece and all the others that we've done so far, really, you should be able to play these without looking at the keyboard. The sooner you develop a feel for the keyboard and where the black keys are and everything, the better. So try and keep your eyes on the music as you're playing these. I don't always mention it, but I mean to, so there. Then I think about the articulation, and here they don't give any, so I guess you're pretty much connecting it. However, typically I think on measure 7, there is a slight silence between the first 2 notes. Yeah. Because the first note ends a phrase. And this is a pickup to a new phrase. So if you can, depends on how fast you go. If you're going really fast, you don't have time. So you just play it. Dynamics apply to the melody. It's all melody, so that takes care of that. And F is forte for loud. You'll decide what loud is. It depends on the situation you're in, whatever, whether somebody's asleep or not, as to what loud is. And speed is allegro, fast, quick, happy. I don't know. There's recordings of this. You get the idea. Generally, it's fountain 2. You only feel the natural accents. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But we'll take it down slower than that. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't copy me, please. You don't have to take it that speed or that loudness or whatever. Feel the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. The endings, the repeat sign there in the second line sends you back to the beginning. And then the second time you do the second ending instead of the first. Okay, simple as that. So you learn it. Get it where you can play it, no hesitations, and then come back to the video. Let's play it together slowly and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'd say I'm not doing louds and softs, but there really aren't any. We will do the repeat. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second ending. 1, 2, 3, rest.